Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to tell you some preposition with expression like which we can use in our day-to-day life. So before starting today's video, let me give you some positive quote. Like always smile. Start your day with a smile, with positive affirmation, and go ahead. So I wish you a very good morning, a very warm good morning. So today I will tell you some common expression with preposition. So let's begin. Let me tell you some of like first is afraid of. Afraid of का मतलब होता है she is afraid of spider means किसी चीज से afraid of मतलब किसी चीज से डरना तो you can make sentence she is afraid of spider like I am afraid of lizard. Literally I don't like lizard. So afraid of first one. Second, agree with सहमत होना किसी से agree with I don't agree with you. Second, angry about आप देखेंगे कि सबके बाद में ना कोई preposition ऐड कर रखा है. I don't agree with you ये वाला agree angry about he is angry about something वो किसी चीज के ऊपर गुस्सा है किसी चीज के बारे में. Ask for if you want anything just ask for मतलब पूछो अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो just ask for that. Next, bad at मतलब किसी पे बुरा होना like I am bad at drawing मैं बहुत गंदा हूँ drawing में literally I am bad at sketching. Depends on I don't know when we will reach school it's depend on traffic. Okay, depend on I don't know what is my like I don't know when I will achieve my destination but it's completely depend on me how I take forward how मीन्स नेक्स्ट स्टेप मैं कैसे लेती हूँ. सो डिपेंड ऑन मतलब उस पर निर्भर करता है. डिपेंड ऑन ट्रैफिक. डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दिस बुक इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम दैट वन. डिफरेंट मतलब अलग होना किसी चीज से अलग होना. देन डिफिकल्ट इन आई एम फेसिंग सम डिफिकल्ट इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सम. ओके, डिस्कस विद किसी चीज से डिस्कस करना किसी वी डिस्कस आवर प्रोजेक्ट विद आवर टीचर. नेक्स्ट, ड्रेस्ड इन means she was dressed in a beautiful sari. So as like coming PTM I have to wear sari. So dressed in you can make sentence with these common expression with preposition. I am just giving you some hint. So we have discussed dressed in. Then example of can you give me an example of past perfect tense? Yes audience, please tell me, do you know tenses? Because in next video I am going to start a tense. I have discussed some tenses but I will finish that. First of all I will finish the series of parts of speech. So example of then explain to. Can you explain this topic to me? Okay, and I will explain the tenses to you like to my all audience who like me, who like my videos and share with their friends. Example of explain to हो गया good at. I am good at speaking. I am good at interacting. I have very good intrapersonal and interpersonal skills. So good at किसी चीज में अच्छा होने से bad at. I am bad at sketching. I am bad at communicating with a stranger like that. And good at opposite. Happen to. Happen to means what happened to me. मुझे क्या हुआ है? What happened? Interest in. What are the hobbies that you are interested in? किसमें आप चीज की आपकी रुचि है. काइंड ऑफ शी इज काइंड ऑफ एनिमल. काइंड ऑफ मीन्स जिस तरह से मतलब उस तरह का. काइंड ऑफ. प्लीज्ड विद द टीचर इज वेरी प्लीज्ड विद हर वर्क. रीजन फॉर किसी चीज के लिए रीजन देना. गिव मी अ रीजन फॉर स्टेइंग अप लेट नाइट. स्माइल एट किसी चीज पे खुश होना. द बेबी स्माइल एट एवरीबडी. यू नो बेबी I love babies because they are very innocent. Their face, whenever we look, there is no छल कपट look in their face. That's why baby को भगवान माना जाता है because वो लोग हर मतलब सबको इक्वल मानते हैं, स्माइल करते हैं और कितने इनोसेंट होते हैं, लाइक बेबीज टू गुड. नाउ स्माइल एट, think of, let's think of a plan. Okay, talk about. Is there something you want to talk about? कोई चीज है जो मैं बात करना चाहते हैं. Like, so these are some common expression which we have discussed. You all can practice this and try to make videos. Try to make sentences in your day-to-day life. So I have discussed agree of, agree with, no, afraid of, angry with, angry about, ask for, bad at, depends on, different from, difficult in, discuss with, dressed in, explain of, explain to, good at, bad at, it's happened to, interest in, kind of, pleased with, reason for, smile at, think of, and talk about. So these are some common expression with preposition. You all can make sentence in your day-to-day life. And if you want to learn English, you can join my course, English spoken course. Online and offline both are available. And for learning English, English is a language and you have to give time. You have to work on speaking, writing, reading, listening. Subo Pali. Suno means listening. Subo. Bolo. Pali means प से पढ़ना reading और ली मतलब लिखना writing. So just ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाओ. सुबो पाली. अगर आप कोई भी लैंग्वेज सीखनी तो ये 4 चीज़ों पे अगर आप फोकस करोगे तो आप बहुत जल्दी इंग्लिश सीख जाओगे. सो आप ये वीडियो अच्छे से देखना एंड फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करना. अगर अच्छी लगी तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर. थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग मी. ओके, बाय फॉर नाउ.